Hello and welcome back to lesson 21 in the creation of our school management system with the GeForce IT Service Academy using Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. So in lesson 20, we inserted our various combo boxes and our various text boxes at this side of the user form. So in this lesson 21, we are going to continue with the necessary editing and the necessary formatting. So please, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you check the description of this video for more links to more of our school management system development training videos. Make sure that you check the description to have access to more of our important educative videos on this channel. Please don't forget to turn on the notification bell for all as you dive into this lesson. Make sure that you pay attention to all the instructions in this lesson so that you will not face any challenge. All right, so let's just dive straight forward into this lesson and continue adding our buttons and our various combo boxes. Then let's come to the last text box here. Let's come to the last text box. Then we Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl V to paste. So we move it to this side. Let's move it to this side like that. So we have it there. So let's just try to move the form to this side. Good. I think we are good to go. So let's just move it to that side. But before then, let's try to select all the labels here. Let's select all the labels here like this. Then we push them to this side. Let's push them closer to the various combo boxes and the various text boxes that we have there. Then let's move this one to closer to this one so that we can have a space for our passport holder. Okay, so we have text box 17 there. So let's just Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl V to paste. Then we get text box 18. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. Then we get text box 19. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. Then we get text box 20. So we are looking for 23 text boxes. So let's come to this one. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste like this. Then we position it nicely on the form. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. Then we bring it to this side of the form. We place it there nicely. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. Then we bring it to this side. Then we bring it to this side of the form. Good. So we have our various text boxes and our various combo boxes, the option buttons up and running on this form. All right, so let's just try something here and see how our form will look like. So let's come to this side. Let's just run this. Wow, so this is how our form will look like. But there is one thing that we need to do. We need to add our passport picture holder before we continue. So let's just close this. Then let's just go back to the form like this. Then we scroll to that side like this. Good. So let's just go to image. Let's just come to image here. Click on image. Then let's just drag it like that. We should have some nice image holder there for our image. So let's push it to the top a little bit. I think this is cool. Then we need another label. Okay, so let's just leave it for now. Okay, so we have that one there. Now let's come to the down. Here. We need to add a frame. Okay, so let's come to the down here. We need to add a list box. So let's search for the list box. This is the list box. So we need to add a list box from this side to the other side like this. So we have that one there. But before then, let's try to reduce the size of this one a little bit. Good. I think we are having some nice design there. So let's expand the list box a little bit to this side. Good. So we have our list box there. Now let's just run it and see how it will look like. Good. So we need to expand the list box here to the last end. So let's just close this, and then let's just go back to our form like this. Then you click on the list box, then we expand the list box to the last end like this. Good. I think we are okay now. So we need to add our buttons that can help us to add data, update, delete, close, and the rest. So let's just come to this one, command button. So you draw it like this. So let's just push this one to the top a little bit, and let's try to increase the size of that particular button. Okay, I think we should bring this one down a little bit. Okay, so let's maintain it that way. Let's just Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. So we bring it to the down here. We should have these three buttons here: add, reset, close. Okay, so let's just Ctrl C again to copy, then Ctrl V to paste. Okay, so we have it here. Then we need another text box that we can use as our search text box. So let's bring it to the down here like this. Then we need another command button again. So Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl V to paste. Then we bring that one here. We need another one. So Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. Then we bring that one to this side. Okay, so I think we can now do our necessary editing and formatting. Okay, so let's just scroll and see how best we can edit our form here. Okay, so let's drag this one to this side a little bit. Then let's bring this one to this side a little bit. Then let's bring this one to this side a little bit. I think we need to bring this one to the top a little bit. Let's bring this one to this side like that. This one to this side like that. Okay, so let's just go back and run this form, and let's see how it will look like. Okay, so we need to bring this one to somewhere around this area, then this one to the last end. So let's just close this and go back to our form. So we bring this one to this side a little bit. Then we bring this one to this side a little bit. This one also to this side a little bit. This one to this side a little bit. Then let's scroll to that last end and let's see what is going to happen. So we move this one also to somewhere around this area. I think this is cool. Then to this area like that. Then we move this one to a little bit. Okay, so let's run it and see how it will appear. So let's just run this from like that. So you go to run, then we run it like this. Okay, so this is not bad. This is not bad. So we need another button for the passport picture section 2. Okay, so let's just select this one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. So we move that one to that side like that. So we have that button for the passport photo too. So add photo button. That is the add photo button. Okay, so let's just come to the down here. Let's just select this. So let's just go to caption. Let's go to caption like this, then add and what, save like that. So we have it at the down here. Then we are going to use this button for reset. So you select all like this. So reset, then you hit enter. Then we come to this one. This is the search. So search like that. Then we come to this one, update. Update, like that, update. Like that. Okay, so please let's not forget there is another button here. So this one is rather supposed to be the add and save button. So let's just select or add, save, like that. Then this one is supposed to be the reset. So select all like this, reset, then enter like this. Then this one is supposed to be the close button. So close, like that. So we have the various names there up and running. So let's just scroll to this side, then let's rename this one too. So let's change the caption to add photo, like that. So we have it there nicely. So let's just run this form and see how it will look like. Wow, so we are having some nice form here. So add and save, reset, close, search, update. So we have all our buttons there nicely. So we don't want this video to be long, so we would like to end this lesson here and continue in lesson 22. So please make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell for all, and check the description of this video for more videos on the school management system development training, and check description for our WhatsApp group link. So thank you very much. Let's meet in lesson 22. Bye bye.